Nope. I was there when you were born.
Me too.
Okay, maybe I wasn't there because you weren't with us.
I was there when he was born. I was in the hospital.
I was there when she was in labor. Then that counts still.
So was I.
She was in labor for a while, okay?
Yes, I was there for the ending part because I saw when I was there when he was announced.
I was in class for once.
For once, that's right.
Turn around. Do, 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 do. Oh. You watched me throw it. No, because I got proof. I got proof that you watched me throw it. And let it go to your face. You should watch it. Get recorded.
And we just watched you attack him on the stage. Good one. Had a lot of open mouth. Right. Straight open mouth. I feel like I French you a little bit.